Hey YouTube, it's Erin and I am the Handbag Housewife and I'm back again with another video. Today is going to be an unbagging, and the reason it is an unbagging rather than an unboxing is that when the item came, the box was open and I ordered two things. I ordered a present for my mother-in-law, which I don't know if I should open. I probably will because I want to waterproof it for her. It has suede on the sides, so I'll probably open that right now too, just so that I can show you and then I can get it all ready for her because I know she won't waterproof it. But I am going to open this little cutie and show you what I got. So I just recently sold a Kay Crossbody bag in the color chalk. I still have my Basquiat Kay, which I really like. It's really cute. So I took the bag off, and I don't know if you guys can tell by looking at it, but this is a Kay Crossbody, and it's in the color washed green, which is a beautiful mint color. And I'm really excited about this because I wanted to get the vanity bag by Tory Burch in the mint color, and it wasn't actually called mint. I can't remember the name of it. It started with a V, I think, but I will pop a picture of that in right here. And that bag just did not lay on me very well, but I do know that this bag does lay on me. It does lay on me. All bags lay on me. This one does sit on me very nicely. And let me just show you the details. This is called paper straw. I'm not feeling rough edges, but it's not super soft either. The Longchamp bags that look like straw that I have, they're actually a lot smoother feeling, but they don't have as much texture as this one. This one has got some super intense texture, and I do like that. So let me just give this bag a once over. Let's look at the top. It's smooth leather and it looks very nice. The back part is a bit wrinkly here, as you can see. I haven't had one look like that, but I also haven't had a smooth leather one. And I assume it's wrinkly because when you open the bag, as you can see here, that's going to bend. So that's an inevitable thing to happen to that leather. I did not notice that the Kay Crossbody did that with the pebbled leather, and I didn't notice that it has done that with the Saffiano leather. I don't have the Saffiano leather anymore, but I know that it did not look like that. Let me grab my pebbled leather one and see if it's done that. Okay, so I've used this once or twice, and you can see that the leather on here looks a whole lot better than the leather right there. So I don't know what to think about that. It's a really cute bag. Let's look at the bottom. It's got leather on the bottom, and then the inside is this really nice microfiber. It does have a really cute little tassel. Let's unwrap the tassel. You can see it's got a cute little tassel. And then on this side, it has the golden hang tag. So I do like this bag. I think it's really cute. I actually have another one on the way, and that's why I wanted to go ahead and unbox this for you, because this bag got marked down from $157.50 down to $139.20, maybe around $139. And so if you want one like this, get online and order it because it just went down today. And that's why I wanted to go ahead and get this video out to you. It has a really pretty chain detail on the ends of the strap. See? There's the chain detail at the end of the strap, and the strap is the same smooth leather as the bag is and has a whole bunch of adjustments. I am super casual today. I have been cleaning out my flooded basement for 2 days, and I am absolutely exhausted. I am bone tired, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this on for you, but do not judge my outfit. In fact, you've seen this top before, but I've got sweatpants on the bottom. So you can see here, I could have made this super cute by dressing it up a bit, but I'm not going to because I'm too tired. There we go. So I think it's a cute little bag. I am not dressed to wear it. I've got this bag, let's see, it's probably on the middle setting. Let's see. Yep, it's right on the middle setting. So if you are any bigger than me or taller than me, I'm 5'8" and I weigh about 150 pounds, then you certainly can let it down a fair amount. You can also bring it up a little bit too. The bag is super cute. I like it. I don't like the wrinkling here. I think it's sort of inevitable, but I want to be the one to cause the wrinkling. So, like I was saying, I have another one of these on the way. I ordered the second one because the price went down substantially and it was going to only be $7 to ship it back if I wanted to. And I was going to save a fair amount more than that. And now that this has this would be considered a defect if I told Coach about it, so they won't charge me for the return shipping if I decide not to keep this one. So that's that. Let's open up my mother-in-law's bag. All right, for anybody who has been looking at the Shay bag in this beautiful brown color, that's what this is. And I want to say the color, let's see, well, here's the tag. This is called Vintage Khaki and Pewter. So it's got the pewter hardware, and then the bag itself is in a beautiful pebbled leather. Both bags were factory wrapped, but the other didn't look quite as good as I would have hoped it to look. But this bag's a very generous bag, and I'm not going to unwrap the insides because, like I said, it's for her, but it came with a dust bag. It came with the cardboard in it to keep the bag structure. It has a very luxurious suede side, and then it's got the Coach emblem there. It's got a nice size pocket right here, and the lining on the inside is sort of a twill type fabric, if you can see that. And it's got Coach written in the lining. I would say the color of that is oxblood. And I assume that it's the same on the inside. And it is. And on this side, there is a zippered pocket. And I believe on the other side, yes, there are two multifunction pockets. And you can see all that on the outlet website. They do have some nice pictures of this bag. This bag also has 4 feet, which is super nice. And these are in perfect condition since it's been wrapped. Although, as we've just seen, just because it's wrapped doesn't mean it will be in perfect condition, because my Kay bag that I just got has those wrinkles. But on the whole, I think she will like this. I am going to spray the sides for her with Apple Guard. Wait a minute. That looks funny to me right there. I think it's just the way the suede's brushed, but that side looks perfect. Yeah, there's just something up with the suede right there. There's a spot on it. So this one may be going back too. Oh well, our luck is not the best this time around. I'm going to give Coach a call. But I do have 2 replacements on the way, and this bag went from being $175 down to $140. So like I said, that's why I reordered it. So let me know what you think. Do you like this Shay bag? Should I try it on for you? Maybe I should. Maybe I'll try it on when I get the next one. I can just put it on my shoulder for size. It comes with a shoulder strap, and it also comes with a crossbody strap, but it does sit really nicely up against the body. It does not feel super heavy, which is awesome. And I would say it's a really nice bag if you like big bags, and she does. So hope this video finds you all well. Sorry I'm not more energetic. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I'm so tired. We had water everywhere, and I had to move a whole bunch of furniture by myself. So my pep and my step is not around today. But I hope you all have a fabulous weekend. To all you mothers out there, happy Mother's Day, and I will see you again real soon. Thanks so much. Bye.